Hey YouTube, it's Yadi Creations here, and in tonight's video, I'm going to show you guys how to add a pattern into Photoshop. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Photoshop, you want to head over to patterns right here, and you want to add a new folder. You can title that folder whatever you would like. I'm just going to leave it as is, and then you hit OK. Then you want to head over to Google and download your pattern if you haven't done so already. Once you've downloaded your pattern, you should go back to Photoshop and you want to open up the pattern that you just downloaded. I'm going to go to Open, and then I'm going to find it in my downloads, and it's right here. Then I'm going to open this. Okay, this is my pattern here. Here it is. Then you want to head over to the Patterns tab and you want to click the plus button. Once you click the plus button, you can name the image whatever you would like to name it. Name the pattern, whatever you would like to name it. Hit OK. Now you will always have this group and this pattern inside of your folder. And that is how you do it. You add it like that. Now to test it, just so you can see what it will look like, I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to the type tool. I'm going to type in 2026. Okay. And then I'm going to go over to this layer, layer 1. Double click the corner of the layer. This box is going to pop up right here. I'm going to go down to pattern overlay. Click on it. And then you'll see the pattern pop up. If you don't, you'll just click this drop down button and you'll find the folder, which is right here. Group 1, click it, and then it'll have your pattern right here selected. Okay, and as you can see, hit OK, you'll see it right there. It's pretty simple. Okay, that's pretty much it. This has been a video on how to add a pattern to Photoshop. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Peace.